Do not be carried away by the ambitions, by the goals, by the aspirations of this world. Quran sounds out this message again and again. Like you see a fresh and a healthy tree, at the root of that tree you will see the dead leaves. You will see the leaves that have fallen off. Eventually winter will come. That tree will be stripped bare. It will be barren. Like you see a lush field and landscape in this world. The flowers are blooming. It is the height of happiness, of health, of glitter, of glamour, of attraction. Quran tells you, don't be deceived. That same lush field in a few months' time will be a barren, dry piece of ground. Like you see the healthy man today is sick tomorrow. The young man today is old tomorrow. Everything around you of this world is in decline. It is in recession. It is moving down. Do not be deceived by the lights of